Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you why you need to use Yoni Detox spell, and I'm still going to give you a little story of my own experience why using it, and I'm also going to tell you how it's going to also help you. Now, Yoni pill is literally consists of different herbs mixed together, and it was used. They used it to, like, they made it into a ball. They made it into a ball. I'm literally trying to look. You can imagine I'm looking for it. They made it into a ball, and it consists of different herbs mixed together. This is it. This is how it comes, like this, and this is what it inside. I'm still going to explain more, and it comes in this pack. So I am also using the Yoni Detox spell from Annual Care. So now I'm going to tell you why you need it, or different reasons why you need it. Now, why we need Yoni Detox spell, it's for prevention of sexually transmitted infections. It helps prolong and destroy the sharpness of sensation during copulation with our partners, prevention of infection disease of the urinary tract. It helps prevent pelvic pain. It helps prevent pain during urinating, like there's small amounts of urine and the remaining is just blood. When you have nagging pain above the pelvic area, hemorrhoid, discomfort, pain varies in different intensity in the rectum and the anus, itching and burning, bleeding, bacterial vaginosis. The pelvic pain in the abdomen, lower back pain can be transmitted in the vagina and the upper abdomen. The appearance of nausea, diarrhea, nervousness, headache, premenstrual syndrome, painful menstruation, disorder during menopause, discharge with an unpleasant odor, itching in the urea, in the vulva area. I say urea, I can imagine. Vulva area, red spots in the vagina, burning and itching. Now, not only if you're someone who has 6 ovaries, how will I call it? You have polycystic PCOS. Yes, you have polycystic ovarian syndrome. You also need to use it because cyst ovaries is a tumor that forms cavities filled with fluid, mucus, or any other content. If you're someone that has irregular period, you have prolonged period, you have male patterns of hair growth, you have fungal infections of the vagina, you have fibroid. Now, for fibroid, you have to be very careful. If you're using it and you start bleeding, please stop it. Don't use it when you're using it for people that have fibroid. So now I'm going to talk about how it's literally going to help you. You understand? Now, using the Yoni Detox spell, it's going to help destroy pathogens, bacteria, microbes, restore normal microflora of the vagina and uterine. It stops inflammatory process in the pelvic organs, promotes epithelial renewal, improve metabolic process and blood circulations in the tissues and mucous membranes, promote their regenerations. Dead cells are exfoliated as a result of the erosions disappear, wounds and micro cracks heal, tissues are restored, damaged as a result. Now, there are a lot of damages as a result of childbirth or surgical interventions like abortion, etc. You also need to use it because it's going to help you heal. They normalize a woman's hormonal levels by regulating the reproduction of progesterone and estrogen by the ovaries. This leads to improved functioning and rejuvenation of the entire body and increases immunity. Now, in all the plenty English that I have speak now, it's like I said, in everything that I just said, that people that are advised to use it, if you know you have fungal infections, you have any kind of vaginal infections, you have pelvic pain, abdominal pain, waist pain, back pain. Now, again, as I'm saying everything that I am saying right now, I'm not a doctor. I'm just saying based on my own experience on how it has helped me and why it is important for people to literally use it. You understand? I'm giving my own advice on it based on I have used it and it has worked for me. So without the, if you're having irregular period, you're going through menopause, you're having different, how will I call it, anything that's going through, ensure that's going on wrong in your vagina area, you're having itching, foul smell, disorder, you're having burning sensation, go and use the Yoni Detox pearl. Now most people literally use this, they do more of the detox. Like while I was growing up, I used to hear about the pearl, but I didn't use it. I was just doing the detox. Like I'll just do different herbs. Even when I was growing up, my mom, my dad, they used to do this detox for me. Like I'm always bathing with herbs. That's aside. You understand? That's just aside. I bathe with herbs all the time. So even while I've grown and I'm not a very grown woman, I do detox, and the way I just do detox by sitting, put different types of herbs, boil, I would like pour hot water, sit on it, you understand, the normal one. Or if there's no herbs, I can just boil hot water, then rub. You put rub inside the water and I'll sit on it. And the water that needs to come out, dirty water, it will come out. The heat will literally, you understand, to bring out anything that needs to come out. To come out. Now, people that are not advised to use this pearl, pregnant women are not advised to use it. Don't use it, because so that nobody will say I said. I didn't say. Do not use it if you're pregnant. Do not use it if you have diabetes. Do not use it during menstruation. Virgins are not allowed to use it. I don't know why they said virgins are not allowed though. Breastfeeding mothers are not allowed to use it. And when you're using it, do not copulate with your partner or opposite sex, whichever one. Anything that has to do, when you're using it, do not say you want to have sex. Do not use it if you have any chronic liver or kidney disease. Do not use it. And fibroid, you see, I'm saying it for the second time. It's not everyone that have fibroid that can use it. Few people can use it. That's if you do not have any blood disorder. And also, if you're someone who has your blood clotting, don't use it. If you're someone that, okay, you now use it, and normal, when you're literally using the pearl, you have a little bit of pain sensation, but after a while, it just subsides. But when this pain is literally persistent, don't use it. And another thing again, if you know you're not comfortable using it, first of all, seek an advice from your doctor. Even if I know that most doctors will tell you not to use it, and why some will tell you to use it, but just they say prevention is better than cause. So how will I call it? You can just ask them so that you would know if you should go ahead and use it or you should not go ahead. But it's literally good. Okay, so the process of using the pearl, you insert it, you insert the ball. You first of all wash your private part, your private region. You wash it, make sure it's clean. Then that ball, you wash it. Then you roll this thread that is here, you roll it. It's allowed to leave it there for 3 days. It's allowed, if you don't want to, it's not everybody that can be comfortable leaving something under them for 3 days. So people can decide to put it after 24. So it's clearly written with the instructions, clearly written that when you put it inside your body, after 24 hours, you take it out. But as you're putting it inside your body, they said you can use tampons, but I don't like using tampons. I prefer to use my pad. Put my pad there on my panties and wear it, and I'll be comfortable. You understand? Then you allow the rope. When you release that rope, you let it out, so that when you're pulling it out after the 24 hours, you can do what? You can be able to pull it out. And after the first day, doing the first time, it comes in six. Six in this particular pack. It comes six is always in it. Six sachets is always in it. So you come with 6 of it. That's how it comes. So when you put it inside your body, after the 24 hours, you do what? You take it out. You wash there. You put the second one again. Leave it for 24 hours. You take it out. The third day, 24 hours again, you take it out. But if you feel you're comfortable also leaving it there for putting 3 at once, because even after the first one, if you start feeling like your vulva is tight, So it's even to put the second one, the second day, to be a little bit difficult for you because it's tight. Do you understand? It's literally shrinking. I don't know how to say it. Whichever way you guys understand me. So you put it inside, and after the 3 days, you cannot take a break. Some things, some particles, some whatever, I don't want to say, some dead skin cells are literally going to come out of you. Now, it might not literally come. You are going to purge also. You're going to visit the toilet. You're going to purge. Now, I think it varies from people. Some people might just literally purge and maybe just little dead cells might come out from them. While some people, like very, oh God, very foul, ugly dead skin cells is literally going to come out of your body. And when it comes out, there's nothing you can do about it. So please and please, let's always do what? Once in a while, once in a leap year, even if it is once in a month, try and be doing detox, because it's going to help you. We can't be going through all this irregular period, pelvic pain, waist pain, back pain, only you, everything, fibroid, and you'll not be able to take care of yourself. You'll not be able to say, let me even do this detox to clean myself, to make my vulva smell nice. So it's good when we can literally do all these things that I'm saying, so it will help make it clean and smell nice. So you feel comfortable self. You feel like, okay, my period is normal. I'm doing fine. I'm okay today. There's no waist pain. There's no back pain. You understand? So let's try and clean. Let's try and take care of ourselves. It's going to help us.